guys, how are you? So we got some delivery today. We ordered some items of SHEIN, so that's where we ordered it from. It's for my daughter's birthday, and my daughter said she would unbox it when she comes back, when it comes. So but she's still in school now, so I will leave it for her to come back so that she can upload it and unbox it for you guys to see. We are here to show you guys our SHEIN haul, our first order. Actually, this is the first time we are ordering on SHEIN. So my daughter is busy with her homework, so she's not going to be able to haul with me. I'll show you everything she bought now, then she might dress up and show you guys what all the things are or how she looks in them later. So let's get into business.
I can't think nothing better than spending my day with you. My life's sunny and better.
So the first one I'm showing you guys is, I don't know what she bought, so we'll be opening and see it together. All right, so this is a crop top. She's still going to dress up in it. I'll show you guys. Crop top, it's so beautiful. And the next item is, she bought hats. So she bought them in two colors, black and carton color. So the next item is a turtleneck top, black. It's lovely. So this is the next item. I'm trying to move back so that you guys can see everything very well. The next item is jeans. Yep. So Zero Love jeans or whatever it's called. Yeah. That's the next item. She will dress herself up and show you guys later. Are you not going to do that? You have to. She's doing it.
No, this
is
like
the
thing. No, listen. So basically, what's going to happen is I will need to go out every week so I can wear the outfit somewhere, and you can then record it. If not, those are the terms of the condition.
Can you guys hear the terms and the condition of her showing you guys what she bought on SHEIN?
Yeah.
She's going to have a course, every course, to go out every weekend, because I don't allow her to go out. So yeah. See the corner, the tight corner. She's going to dress every weekend to go out. Then I will be able to show you guys what she looks like in her clothes. All right.
Really?
I will think of it. It's going to be.
So that's a yes.
Okay, let's
not
say yes.
Every single weekend,
yeah.
Maybe every second week. Every single weekend is accessible.
When I am not working, when I'm able to.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's it, guys. We agreed on camera. So the next thing. So this is the next thing she bought. They're all gorgeous things. It's lovely. Is this the one I chose for you, Daddy? Yeah. Oh, so beautiful. So, and the texture is so nice, but it's not stretchy.
No.
Oh,
it's lovely. Go the size down.
Okay. So the next item is belts.
What's that?
Thank you. So this is her corset belt. And the next item is, so the next one is the white turtleneck. You know, I showed you guys the black one, so she got them in two different colors. So she got white and black, which is so nice. Don't worry, guys, she's going to dress up and show us how the clothes looks like. This is beautiful. Honestly, SHEIN is not expensive, so I wasn't expecting the quality of the clothes to be nice, but the quality is awesome. It's good. It's very nice, guys. This is our first time, so I don't know. So that's why our what's that called now? Review. Yeah, our review of SHEIN is rate is, Sandra, out of 100. No, 1 to 10. From scale of 1 to 10, what will you give SHEIN?
9.
That's good. She gave
8.5 to 9.
8.5 to 9. Honestly, their clothes are very awesome, very nice texture and everything, and it's not expensive. So this is the next item she bought. Is it cream color? Isn't it cream color purse?
White.
Oh, white. Okay, white purse.
Necklace.
All right, so she got herself this one again. This is necklace. She's going to get 16 different. So the next item is the jacket. Oh wow, so fluffy, like a teddy bear.
I was thinking China blue. If I got blue, it would have worked with the bag. But brown is more wearable than blue.
Yeah. Oh guys, this is beautiful. Wow.
Whoa.
You know, you have to put it on hand wash when you're washing it. There to become so, yeah, hand wash. So this is it. This is beautiful. You can't wait to wear it, isn't it?
Stop this.
Dignity and care, isn't it? Alright guys, so this is the next thing.
And look, that brown headband goes with this. That's why I bought it.
Yeah, it's so beautiful. So she got herself pack of 5 hairband. Hairband, I mean. I said hairband. Headband. Okay, so this is it. It has different colors. It's so beautiful. And I think it's like around 1 beautiful. Yeah. So this is the next item. This is our last item now. This is the last item she bought. It's our people. We need to let the cat out of the box.
Out of the bag.
Hey guys, here we go. This is beautiful, honestly. This is beautiful. So gorgeous. So this is our last item, star projector. She already has that in her room, so the box is empty. We'll just show you guys because she has it in her room already.
That looks so cool.
Oh, have you love it? Love it. So this is so nice. It's star projector. It projects stars on her ceiling and everything in her room. So that's it. That's our last item. So now I got myself some few things to test their size, and I've tried some on, and they were looking so awesome, beautiful. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm about to get it. Yep. Look at
That's the
this.
one I want to steal.
See, babe. But I think it's massive.
Yeah, that's good.
It is so big. This is 2XL. So next time when I'm ordering there, I'm going to order just XL. And guess what, guys? I put 4XL in my basket. Thank God I stumbled on a video on YouTube, and the lady is like size 34 or 36. So when I saw what she wore, and she was saying this is, was it 3XL or 4XL?
3XL.
Yeah, she wore 3XL and she uses maybe it says 34. I'm like, oh my God. And I had 4XL in my bag and she had 3XL. I had to come down to 2XL, and I'm telling you, this 2XL is massive. It's huge for me. You understand? So when I'm ordering next time, I'm just going to go for XL. So that is it. They are very true to size. So they are just in American sizes. So, but I love it. I will manage it. But next time I'm going to order XL, just XL. Now, guys, this is the next. I love this. I tried it on and I felt like wearing it every day. This is it. This is 2XL too. It's a little bit big, but not that but if I had known, I would have gone for XL actually. But it's not bad. It's not bad. But next time if I'm ordering from them, I'm going to order XL. So this is it has hoodie. It has hoodie, and it is long line dress gown. Is it, what is it called?
I don't know.
It's long line dress top, not dress gown. Long line dress top, yeah. So this is it. Next item is, I think I only bought 5 items. So my next item, I love this. It has hoodie too. This is our winter period, so it will be very, very useful during this winter period. So it has hoodie, it has drawstring, and it is long line too. It covers you well. It's so beautiful with this contrast color here. I love it. So that is the third thing I bought. So this is the next one I bought. I just wanted to know what their shirts looks like, what the size is. So this is it anyway. I like it, but to me, I would have preferred it to be longer, but honestly speaking, it is beautiful. And this is 2XL too. This is the last item, guys. This is the last item. Look at that. Holiday 87. It is stretchy. Look at that. So it's somehow big, but it can be managed. It's manageable, so it's beautiful. That's it.
Let me just phone on.
So that's all we bought on SHEIN. And now that we know that we like that the quality of their clothes, it's not that bad. It's not 100%, you know, but it's good for the price. Yeah, and they are true to size. And delivery is super fast. It came within 1 week. So to me, I'll give them 9 out of 10. That is it. Thanks very much, guys. Thanks for hauling our first time shopping on SHEIN with us. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click the like button. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to click the like button. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to give me good comments if you like this video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Auntie. She's wearing one of our items that she bought on SHEIN. Is it 2? Okay, the 2. The jumper and the black inner. Yeah, but she already has this trouser and the bag and the shoe. Now she's walking. One of her condition for her to hold this clothes is for her to go out. So she's going for one of the outing now today. I'm going to drive her to her friend's house. So I fulfilled my own part of the promise. So next week she's going to, is it next week again?
I don't know, whatever.
Oh, it's 2 weeks. Okay, she's going to wear another one and show you, then she will go out again. Look at this girl. All right, guys, see you. Bye.